Met Jamie and Raymond more than 10 years ago. They've been very, very good to deal with. They've helped us launch our own range through their technology. The product's unique. There's no soaps or acids in them, and they're plant-based enzymes, quite unique to the industry. Prior to using this product, we had considerable amount of insurance claims, and since recommending this product to our franchisees, we haven't had one insurance claim at all. Initially, we tried to develop our own product, through a chemist and biologist. We just kept coming back to Enzyme Wizard products, and we just pretty much basically rebranded theirs, and we're just using what they use with a small scent change, but predominantly it's their product. We have our own enzyme-based range available from our website, and the difference between these products is there's no acids or soaps, which makes it very good for the user, available to the public as well.